Injecting a prototype bean into a singleton bean. So to explain this, I have created one Spring demo project, and in which we are having one controller that is called hello controller, and we have created one get mapping, and we have created one method say hello, which is returning string hello from Spring. Okay, so we have created one class called employee, and we will just annotate the component so that the bean of this class should be created, and we will change the scope of the bean from singleton to prototype. So by default the scope of the bean is always singleton, and we can change it to prototype by using this annotation, and we have to provide here prototype. Okay, so now we will try to inject this employee class, which is prototype in nature, to this hello controller, which is singleton, because we are using the default scope. Okay, so we will try to inject it by first by using the auto wired, and we will see how it will behave like. So now we will be just auto wiring this employee class, and here we will just try to print the hash code of this employee class and hash code. Okay, so now let's run the application. So our application is running on the default port 8080, and yes, so our application is up and running. Now we will try to hit the endpoint. So here if we try to hit, so I have hit it for the first time, it has given me hash code. Now let's try to hit it few more times. If you could see, each and every time it is returning the same hash code, right? So that means when we are trying to inject prototype bean into this singleton bean by using this auto wire, it is returning the same instance. I mean, it is returning the same hash code. So that means it is returning the, it is behaving like the singleton, because singleton says each and every time when you will hit, it will return you the same object or the same instance, right? So now we will see how we can inject this prototype bean into the singleton bean, and it should behave like the prototype only, right? So to explain this, so to do that, we will be using one more annotation that is basically called the lookup annotation, and we have to create one method. So this method will return the employee object, and we will name the method like get bean, and we will be just returning null from this method. Okay, so now here we will be just using the getBean method, and we will just try to print the hash code. So now let's run the program, and we will see how it will behave like. Will it behave like a prototype or the singleton? Okay, so now our application is up and running. So now let's hit the endpoint. So first time I have hit the endpoint, and it is has given me some hash code. Now let's try to hit it few more times. So yeah, if you could see, each and every time it is giving us the different hash code. So that means on each and every hit it is creating the new instance, and the prototype says whenever we are hitting the endpoint, or at every hit, a new object or instance should be created, right? So now it is behaving like the prototype. So this is how you can answer, like we can use the lookup annotation, and through which we can inject a prototype bean into a singleton bean. So in this video, this much only. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.